going on, guys? So in today's video, I wanted to take you guys with me behind the scenes and give you guys an inside look on how I make my Shape Shifter Clay Pomade. Let's get into it. Shape Shifter Clay Pomade is my flagship pomade. All right, it is my top seller. It is my best, most used and versatile product, I believe, in my product line. And this is going to be just an inside look on how I like to make it. Now, this is no fancy filmography or editing or anything like that. I'm nothing like that, okay? But I just wanted to give you guys a little inside look on how it's done. So bear with me with some of the angles and stuff because I was filming all this on my own. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's take a closer look. Now, before I move on to the next phase in this whole process, I wanted to explain a couple of the reasons why I picked some of the oils and ingredients that I did, okay? So when it comes to the waxes and the oils that I have utilized in this pomade, now beeswax has a lot of benefits to the hair and the scalp, offers some hold and whatnot, but the main thing is the oils here, and that is going to be the tea oil, the tea seed oil, and also grapeseed oil. Now, the reason I chose these oils is because they are very lightweight, they don't offer a lot of shine at all, and they absorb very fast into the hair, into the scalp, okay? So being at clay pomade, I wanted to have that matte finish, but I also wanted to give you guys some very nice benefits to the hair and to the scalp. Now, tea seed oil is a very, very nice oil, okay? It is very similar to our natural sebum production and has a very nice feel and this viscosity to it, okay? So I really like the tea seed oil because it's very similar to jojoba oil in a way, but it's a little bit more lightweight in my opinion, and it offers just a tremendous amount of benefits. So that is the flagship oil in this pomade here. It is what I use in a few of my other products, but that is going to be a very, very nice oil to incorporate in your hair care routine. So that's why I picked that one. And you know, there is Candelilla wax in this as well. So that wax is a very, very hard wax once it hardens and solidifies, and it offers a good amount of hold, and it's just a very nice wax that I like to use. It is a little bit more expensive, but I also believe it gives a better finish to the product. So those are the two waxes that I like to use, also the emulsifiers and stuff, and some stearic acid for stability and you know, some better feel of the product. But those are the main oils and waxes that I do like to use in this product. All right, so let's talk about what I did in this water phase here real quick. All right, so the ingredients that I use, obviously starting off with the distilled water. I also like to add a little bit of aloe vera juice to the water just to give it a little bit more health benefits and properties to the hair and the scalp. And I also like to utilize glycerin in this phase as well, because glycerin is a natural humectant which pulls moisture and locks it into the hair, into the scalp, and adds a little bit of slickness to it. So I like to use glycerin in there. And then I add a little bit of an emulsifier which will help blend everything, keeps everything a little bit more stable, and that is the water phase. All right, now for the last phase, which is going to be just the ingredients that are a little bit more, they're more temperature sensitive, okay? So they have to be added at a lower temperature, because if you do, they will compromise their ability to function, okay? So in this phase, I like to use vitamin E oil, tocopherol, which is a very nice viscous oil that really helps with oxidation in the product and has some benefits as well to your hair and to your scalp. And then I also use my preservative and also some peppermint oil, which is very great for the hair and the scalp and gives it that nice minty freshness to it. And also this is where I add my fragrance as well, because all these are temperature sensitive, especially the preservative. You know, we want that, make sure that this product's going to stay shelf stable for you and there's not going to be any nasties in it or it's going to go bad on you. So the shelf life on this product is going to be very, very nice and it's going to last a while. Now the preservative that I use is a safe, all natural, gentle preservative, and it protects against yeast, bacteria, and mold. So it gives you a very nice stable shelf life in the product. So that's why I like to use the preservative that I do use. And it is very gentle. Don't got to worry about anything going to trigger any sensitivities on the hair or the skin, which I have very sensitive skin. So I wanted something that is going to cater to the people that have that kind of hair and skin, very sensitive, because I do as well. I know the struggle that it is when you have sensitive skin. So I wanted to incorporate something that was going to be very easy on you guys and something that was going to offer great benefits for shelf stability. All right, now for the clays here, what I like to go with is kaolin clay, bentonite clay, and I like to add arrowroot powder to my clay mixture as well. Now I found that these clays offer a difference in benefits to the hair. Kaolin is very beneficial to the hair and scalp. Bentonite adds a lot of texture to the hair as well. It pulls a lot of moisture as well, so it gives a very nice matte finish in my opinion. And arrowroot powder kind of does the same thing. I just like the benefits of arrowroot powder to the hair and to the scalp, and it gives you a lot of volume into it as well. So arrowroot powder is very beneficial, and these are the clay mixture that I like to use in Shape Shifter, and I think that you will notice the benefits of these clays when you do use this product. So there you have it, guys. This is the process for making Shape Shifter Clay Pomade. Now, this pomade I think is a great one, and it is my best seller. And if you haven't checked it out, man, I would highly recommend checking it out. It offers a good amount of hold. You get a matte finish, and you get the benefits of all of the ingredients that I have incorporated into this product. And it's just a good product all around, guys. So if you have not yet, be sure to check it out. There will be a link in the description as well in the top pinned comment to my online store. Also, leave me a comment down below, guys, if you like this kind of video. I can give you a little bit more in-depth details about how I make my products and stuff. I've not made a video like this before showing you guys, you know, behind the scenes of how I like to do things with the products. So leave a comment down below, and also like this video if you do like the video. But right on, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you guys next time. Take it easy.